Hi guys, I'm Apoorva and welcome to my home. So this is my veranda. This is actually the first place I started doing up because I wasn't confident enough to start working inside the house. Some of you might already know my affinity for painting and for Indian art forms. I actually hand painted this whirly wall, and again this is a sitting area just to sit here and enjoy the nature. So I have these tiny bells from Missouri. This is from Goa. Yes, this has been a latest purchase. And again, this wall structure here was just because we used to have a lot of seepage on this wall. That's why we installed this beautiful natural bamboos and I put some plants on it. So you are now in my living room and I absolutely love this space. We really don't have a theme going on here, but in my family, we like traditional art forms and a lot of color. So that's what you will see here. Starting with, we have these Saharanpur mirrors, this Assamese bamboo structure. So I have to talk about my curtains. These are one of my most favorite piece of furnishing in this house. All of these flowers you see, they are handmade on Chanderi silk and you can take them off. So another piece that I really love in this house is this cabinet. It's from Fab India. And now this is a place of some vintage things here. The Ganesh Murti that you see is from Dehradun. It was actually a home warming gift. This is actually from Delhi Heart. And of course, this particular piece is from LBB. Moving on, now this is my dining area. And of course, talking about the traditional art form, I wanted to have a little gallery wall here that basically had collections from different kinds of paintings. So this is my little family wall here. And we actually have pictures of very old pictures here. So this one, my favorite, my dog, she passed away 2 years ago, Laika. And this one is, I think, almost 50 years old or more than that actually. This is my Dadi in her very prime days before getting married. So this is my guest room. So I basically made this arch, getting influenced by that, but I added my own spin and added a desert scene. Now these are the hand painted lamps that I bought and I absolutely love them. All of this is hand painted. This little basket scene that you see going on here, we have this fan from Pondicherry, some from Banaras. These are all random baskets that I bought from random places. Now the most interesting piece here is this, and this comes with a lot of history. This is almost 50 years old and this was actually a mirror from my grandmother's dressing almirah. So this is my little sister's room and what you see here is a 4-poster Shisham bed. It was her dream to kind of have a bed like that and I thought it kind of fit in well with the space and I found this beautiful piece. And another thing, so my sister, she likes pink, so I wanted to incorporate a bit of that here. But I absolutely love this couch with all the pink and the prints. So we have it here. M is for Myra, that's her name. That little dream catcher is also from Goa. So now this is my parents' bedroom. Now they wanted a very simple, minimalistic and calm bedroom. So as you can see, we don't have a lot of things here. It's pretty open. We just have these two beautiful watercolor paintings by a Delhi-based artist, Deepthi. Now another important pieces that I would like to talk about here. We actually had these postcards lying around from my grandparents' time, almost like 50-60-year-old postcards. And they were so old and looked so beautiful, and they have some very sweet messages written around, some of them being in Urdu, that I really wanted to like show them somewhere. And these are very personal, I mean these are personal to my parents, so I wanted to keep them. That's why I kind of got them framed, and I absolutely love how well they go in with the vibe of the place. So this is my study, and as you can see, we have a lot of books, and these shelves were basically made out of all the reclaimed wood that we could reclaim during the reconstruction. Now, a very special thing that I have here is basically a paw print of Laika, my dog, who passed away about 3 years ago. When she was really sick, I happened to take her paw prints, and just to keep it as a keepsake. So again, this is one of those areas that is absolutely loved on Instagram. This is my tiny balcony. It's actually a very tiny space, but then it is perfect for having your morning or evening chai, because there's so many plants here and you literally have all the privacy because of these plants. This bougainvillea right here is absolutely loved by all my followers, and of course loved around the colony. All my people have told me that they absolutely love this, and when it blooms, it literally paints the house magenta. So you can see currently it is shedding. So I mean these are pretty much all the flowers that are left, and my parents absolutely love this spot. Thank you for watching the video. For more such content, don't forget to subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter, link in the description below.